No, and those who don't know, this is called Ensom Avenue. Enough people don't know that. Show them that. You see that building, that little pinkish, purplish building? That's called Rajmaville. So we're here in Sunshine. This is not Sunshine, this is beautiful Spanish Town. Is Portmore better than Spanish Town? I wonder if nobody knows. Somebody tell me, is Portmore better than Spanish Town? Everybody know that Portmore want to be a city now. Want to be a parish now. I think Spanish Town should vie to be a parish town, not lying. Alright, we're gonna make this delivery. Come along with us. Which part are you? You come on, big man. Oh, that's good. You remember me? Wait for that. The virgin's son. Man, favor and father, look how the man get big. That's how me I get old. Alright, so I'll package here for you. What? You alright? Yeah. Oh, sir. I'm getting so old. I'm getting so old. Alright, so this is for your daddy. So I can drop it off for you. So guys, his daddy is actually on the road, so he asked us to drop it off for his son. So, you know, we're convenient and flexible that way. Right?
Right.
Take it there on the side. There? Yeah, alright, cool. Alright guys, another delivery. We're out of here.
On the behalf of Island Wide Express, I'm begging you guys to spare Robert in the comments, because today I'm using tongue for tying knot where him teeth them can't pull. I don't know what was with that Portmore better than Spanish Town thing, but me know the Spaniards not gonna spare him in the comments, so I beg you to do. One love.